All right, all right. Well, it is that time of the year and it is time to go fishing. Fishing is booming out here. And we're out here in Central Texas, close to Austin. So there's plenty of lakes. I mean, we'll go to Lake Austin, we go out to Lake LBJ a lot. We'll go Decker Lake. What else? Sometimes out to the Fayette Reservoir in between here and Houston. But there's just tons and tons of lakes, and there's some excellent fishing going on, Now, well, for those of you who aren't into fishing, you have to see some of the electronics that are outfitting these boats now. I mean, they're outrageous. They're awesome. In the past 10 years, I mean, it's just unbelievable. You have huge 22-inch screens, multiple screens in the front, multiple in the rear. One of the must-haves, I guess you could say, it's a Livescope. It's usually mounted on the front of the boat. You can probably do one front and rear, but usually you see them on the front, and they are mounted on the shaft from the trolling motor, right? Some guys will get a separate turret, so it mounts onto the shaft of the trolling motor, but it's separate. So now you can point the transducer of the Livescope in whatever direction you want. You don't have to follow the trolling motor, right? So you see here, this particularly the Rite-Hite turret, you can see it has this little arrow pointing down or pointing across, and you can see what direction it's going. And you can see it clearly as long as you're standing over it, right? So here is the new direction indicator. You can see it is much larger and it's color coded. So when it's mounted on the turret, I mean, you can clearly see it even from the back of the boat. This direction indicator, it's 3D printed using ASA, and ASA is a strong filament, and it's UV protection. It has UV protection properties, and it's perfect for outdoor equipment like this, and perfect for boat applications. And you can see it's color coded, so you can see the direction even with just a glance, right? And it's easy to install. You can see you just take the old one off. This slides right over that pole. Use your existing hardware and a set screw here, and that's it. I mean, you're ready to go just in a few minutes. So if you have a Rite-Hite turret, you know what I'm talking about. This thing, I have to say that bigger is better. With this on there, you can be on the back of the boat and see what direction it's pointing just with a glance. This way you can keep your eyes on the screen or in the water. You don't have to there's no guesswork, right? But, well, you can find these on my website. It's v3precision.com, and I have a whole section for fishing equipment. Just a few items right now, but it's growing. So get online, take a look, and I can make one for you in a heartbeat. So, well, I guess that is it for this video. So, as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch for my next video.